Good morning, you guys. It is so stinking chilly out, and I'm not complaining. Do you ever have that feeling when you wake up from vacation and the morning is just so brisk and chilly and you just want to bundle up and open up all the windows? That is exactly how it feels in this apartment right now. I'm feeling super nostalgic for whatever reason. I have been trying to show up for myself in so many different ways, and one of them being waking up early. I actually got to wake up and see the sunrise this morning, and that's a really big accomplishment for me because I do not do that. I leave everything to the last possible minute if I can get a couple extra seconds, minutes of sleep. I'm really proud of myself. She's a morning person. What can I say? Oh my god. I really want to do a little project in the house, and I'm gonna leave that to your guys' imagination until we get there. Yeah, we'll just see where this video takes us. I think I don't know. Who knows with this one, right? Who knows with her? Oh, I did want to show you guys these jammies. Hold on, let me go grab them really quick. So, if you've ever wondered to yourself, Morgan, your pajamas, they're amazing. They're so unique. I've never seen something so beautiful before. Where did you get those? If you've ever wondered that, I get them from this company called Print Fresh. I've always wanted to be a matching jammy kind of girl. When you are an adult, there's so many things you want to be and so little money. So I was really fortunate enough. Print Fresh sent me literally every matching pajama set that I have, and I just want to show you these. Hold on, let me strap you in. Look at these. And I always call my PJs jammies, and I just thought that was hilarious because these are literal jammies. And look at the pants. Boom. We've got orange marmalade, just peachy jam, blueberry jam, butter, some honey, apricot jam, strawberry jam, mixed berry jam. Wow, it's just so cute. They're just so cute. And so now I have this cutie little long set that I will probably be wearing the entire fall. Oh, why did you do that? That was rude. My tripod has been... I'm gonna lose my mind. No, because I'm gonna lose my mind. No, I'm watching you. What is happening? Alright, so literally just got up for a second and she took my sunspot. Right. You love the sun?
agenda for today. This has been very long awaited. A little bit of a backstory. When we moved into this apartment, actually, when we toured this apartment, I was so excited to finally have a fireplace. I don't really know what that is, like why I have always wanted a fireplace. I grew up in Arizona, but I think being somewhere where it does get cold and it snows and we have 4 seasons, I just always loved like the idea of that really cozy, like curled up by the fire, having some hot cocoa while it's snowing outside. Really love that for some reason. So when I saw this place, I was really excited to have a fireplace. Not very excited that it's painted gray. And if you like get in close, which I'll show you, it's not brick. It's like a laminate tile, just a mess. So I think if there was some really awesome charm behind this paint, I would go through the trouble of like citrus peeling and like really trying to get in that grout. I'm not doing that. They didn't do that. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm gonna paint it this natural white. It's a really good canvas for something I plan on doing afterwards. I think the plan for today is I need to wipe down this entire fireplace, and then I'm gonna sand it, and then we're gonna paint it. I'm also gonna paint the mantle the same color because this mantle is disgusting. Once this is painted, I'll finally have the blank canvas that I need to properly style this mantle, because what the heck is going on up here? Not much. Fun things, we got fun things happening. Crystals. Wow. See him? When Rain and I went to go visit his family, we were helping clear out his grandma's house, and there were these 2 pictures of Rain's sister and Rain's cousin when they were little, and I don't know, I just love them, so I took them, and they literally go up in every place we've ever been since. Also another fan favorite of mine. Careful, head. Show it, show the camera. I got this for $10 at Home Goods like 7 years ago. Major clearance. Everybody was shook. It's crazy, had to be there. You're not living if you don't got an electric fly swatter. I'm gonna tell you that for free. Rain, this would be a really good opportunity for us to tighten these legs. Now? Not worry about it? Nah. Look at the legs. Oh. We didn't have a drill. What, they're that bad? This is fun, it's such a refresh. I'm having a really good time. Whew. Rolling. Yes, that's perfect, if I'm being honest. in my hands, I have probably my most anticipated package. When it came to incentivizing that I post for you guys once a week, I really wanted it to be meaningful, true to me. We both landed on the fact that what is in this box is probably the best incentive to get me to post once a week. Let me get close. Yeah. I'm very new to the Smiski community. I then made the mistake of buying like 5 Smiskis in Chinatown for $5 and realized very fast that those were not real. But I do have some scattered around my apartment because they are very real to me. Here's the deal. I am only allowed 1 Smiski unboxing for every video I upload. I know I'm gonna open one of these and I'm gonna wanna open them all, but I have rules. Let me show you the back for any new Smiski people. Here are our options. Okay. Oh my God, I just opened it. Okay, these are real. Oh. Okay, you guys get to look first. Oh, is it good? And here is the cat asleep. Yeah. Oh, he's perfect. Okay, this is where I have him right now. However, 100% open to suggestions. And he probably won't stay. I don't know if he'll stay right there, but for now, he's cute. He's sleeping on the job.